Hey guys, what's going on? Lucky here. So we're trying something a little different this time on this video. Mark from Gas Rats Customs, give him a follow if you're bored. He has a 73 or 74, I think, square body long bed. It had some pretty sketchy suspension work done to it, and we decided to straighten it up. So he backed it in one day after he got a hold of Alden American, who hooked him up with their adjustable shocks, coilover setups. And also, I think they put together a whole kit using POL, Performance Online gear. And it's a coilover conversion. It's pretty nice. And some sway bars and stuff. And he drug it all over here. I busted out the plasma cutter, and we stuck that all in. Let us know what you think in the comments about the kit, how it went together, and the shenanigans. And I think you can follow him on Gas Rats Customs, Gas Rats Customs Media. On Instagram, of course, you can follow me, Mobile Tech Lucky, or Lucky's Garage. Yeah, leave some comments, share, tell a friend. That's it. Check out his merchandise, too. He's got some pretty cool shirts, Gas Rat stuff. That's it, you guys. See you soon. Enjoy this video.
So today, there's always that one guy. Good God. So anyway, I made it over to Lucky's shop. It's gonna be a long video. Anyway, we are here today. Big shout out to Alden American. They have supplied us with a coilover conversion kit for the 74C10. It actually is, their kit goes from, he's playing basketball over there.
I'm sorry, is it really?
Who's that tire by?
That's a Milestar.
That's a Milestar tire. Anyway, the kit's from 63 to 87. It's a coilover conversion. So we're gonna jump into this today. Oh, let's take a look at some of the road rash. Oh, look at those arms.
Yeah, nice job there.
They've hit a few things. They got some springs in there that are not the right size. Probably sitting out of the pocket. So we're gonna yank this apart. Hey, the good thing is there's no inner wheel wells in here.
I didn't notice that.
Yeah. So we're gonna get this party started.
You got two different sized lights.
Hey, what do you think of their product? Does it look pretty good? Pretty decent?
Oh yeah, I do. I like it.
Good stuff.
I'm familiar with this.
That's right. You've had it in the past, so.
Been down that road.
Been down that road.
Tech tip. So generally you can just use a sledgehammer or maybe two sledgehammers, or you put one sledgehammer against the actual spindle and you strike it right where it says do not ever strike this hammer with another hammer. Or you can get a hammerhead for an impact or an air chisel, and ooh, it works good. Ready?
Done.
So the cool thing about that is you'll see spindles that have just been hammered to death. Well, like this. Not so much to death, but it did take a beating. Here's the lower one. You see it move?
That's money, dude.
That is money. So go next door. The trick here is to not take the nuts off all the way.
These?
Don't take
Did you say these
don't
nuts?
take these nuts off all the way. This has lowered springs, so there's not a lot of pressure on it. If this was a full-length truck spring, those things would have twang,
Yeah.
come right out. But okay, we're halfway there.
Cool.
Control arm bolts. Took one out already. Don't try and lift this thing up and try to get underneath it. That's never going to happen. Get a long pry bar or a long piece of pipe, stick it in there like that, pull it down, and then
Alright, so we got the upper and lower out. Take a look at these lower ones here. These have seen better days. Oh, the bushings are jacked. These have scraped the ground a few times. Oh man, look at that one. That's bad. Ball joints are a mess. So yeah, we're moving right along.
Here's a trick: is you find an old, messed up chisel. This is the chiseler. One side flat, the other side, nice little angle right there. Pretty
Why
sharp.
is that? Why?
Because one side, you wanted to cut in and then lift it away. You're not trying to split it two ways. If you were to make it angled on both sides, it would cut into it. You still have a head.
Yeah.
Want to
Nice.
see that thing? Harbor Freight, right there. Doing the job. There's all that WD-40 in here. All right, it's gonna be. That one's a little bit of a bear because there's that little divot right there.
Oh,
but the ones back here is flat surface.
Bye.
Say goodbye. Say goodnight.
Oh, you alright?
That's delicious. I don't know what you drove through, but it tastes just like WD-40. Give me a rag. That was that one bolt that you fought.
Yeah, that we struggled with.
Not we.
Okay, I did,
Yeah,
and then you came in
just
and
saying.
freaking saved the day. He's talking about rust. I think maybe he's talking about this. I don't know.
I can get that for you.
Let me.
Okay.
That'll buff out. Funny shit happens when you work with this dude. But so yeah, his glasses didn't quite make.
You talking to me?
We'll get you some new frame to draw. That's freaking hilarious.
The $1.99 down the toilet.
Sorry about that.
Hey, I forgot to light it.
Yeah, let me go get the light again. This side's lit up pretty nice. Jesus Christ. I'll do the same over there.
Whoa, it's metal?
But this is the template, yeah, that Alden provides. How's it going there?
That's pretty nice. They
So,
only go there.
so it just matches up with the holes for the rivets, right? They were.
Hey, want to bring the plasma cutter? No, too big to do that with. Give me my belt sander.
Oh. Nice. Obviously, cut it out with the plasma. So this is what Alden provides, is the upper bracket. And as you can see, sits there. Everything matches up nicely. So we'll be able to bolt it in. So that's a wrap. We have the Alden coilover conversion.
Yeah.
Finally installed.
You did a lot on this truck.
Right?
You did a lot.
Yeah. So it actually came out super nice. Just a couple little modifications. One thing to point out is that the upper A-arms are
Different from left to right.
different from left to right. So we learned that valuable lesson.
Telltale signs. The bump stop mounting hole goes to the rear of the control arm.
Yeah, just a FYI. But other than that, we got it aligned. Things driving pretty good. I got the front sway bar on. What'd you think overall?
This is a cruiser, buddy.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
All right,
You know,
cool.
the one thing about those upper control arms is you don't really have to know that, because as soon as you get to the alignment shop, they'll point it out to you.
They let me know. So anyway, again, huge shout out to Alden. Thank you guys, appreciate it. We're gonna be by your shop. I think you're gonna do a photo shoot. I didn't tell you about that.
Really?
Yeah, we're going to their shop to do a photo shoot with this truck, so you're coming.
Supermodel?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut you up, clean up.
Hands. These hands, supermodel hands.
All right, again, please like, subscribe, share. What else do you do?
Tell a friend.
Tell a friend. Make sure you check out his. Actually, this is going to be on yours, right?
Is it?
As well? And
yeah.
mine? I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, in that case, don't forget to follow Gas Rats Customs on his Instagram and your YouTube. What's your YouTube?
Gas Rats Customs.
That's crazy. So
Pretty
it's the same
straightforward.
name on Instagram and YouTube. Right on.
That's it. Thanks for watching. See ya. Peace.